walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. The best place in the world.
I'm a genius! Oh, hey there, Bjorn. This is gonna rock. It's so cool. Excellent. Plug this in. Perfect. And complete.
Bucky, let's go catch dragonflies in the field. Whoa, what is that thing?
This is my teleporter. It can send us to any spot in the world.
Oh, sweet.
Where would you like to go?
Outside, to the dragonfly field.
What's there to see in a plain old field? How about instead take us to the awesomest place on Earth? Ha! Care to guess? Well, we'll know soon enough.
What are you fellas doing today? Boys, where are they?
Bjorn, where are we?
We're at the North Pole, and those are the Northern Lights.
Whoa! Wowie! The most awesomest place I've ever been! So, when sunrise, I want a bright good look at everything.
The sun will be coming out again in, looks like 6 months.
You mean there's 6 months without sunshine? Not awesome. Let's try someplace else. So, take us somewhere with lots of sunshine. Whoa. Just like I said. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's so bright and warm. Huh? Now this is awesome! I want to do this for the rest of my life! Why did the camel cross the desert? Because it was awesome! That was great. Phew. Kind of hot though, right? Bjorn, do you have some water by any chance?
None. There is no water out here in the desert.
No water here? Not awesome. Yeah, let's get out of here. Go someplace with lots of water. Well, that's too much water. What's that, Bjorn?
It looks kind of like a shark.
A shark? Sharks aren't really my thing. Forget water. Take us someplace that's dry. Wrong! No! Someplace without a volcano! Bjorn? What is this? A sea monster! No! Take us someplace!
Give me that. Just take us someplace.
Do it! Bjorn, come on!
Just someplace that we'll love.
Where are we? Oh, this must be the awesomest place in the world!
Yeah, and it looks a lot like our home.
No way! This place looks nothing like home. Stuff's just all ordinary back there. But dude, everything here's just the awesomest. Just look at this amazing field.
Boys,
Huh?
where have you guys been?
Is that Franny? What is she doing here?
Waiting for you. You guys kind of vanished. Weren't we planning to come to Dragonfly Field? Sweet Franny, hey! I am just so happy to see you. Bucky, look! We're home!
I can see that now. I thought we had found the most awesomest place in the entire world.
But we're in the awesomest place in the entire world.
Don't you know yet that your home is the best place? Wow, that is a big one.
Just wait. This one's mine. Hey, come here. Come on, you crazy thing. I should use my machine to transport you into my hand.
Just the right size. Nice try. Almost.
I'm telling you, the trolls are 1,000,000,000% real.
Sure they are.
They're as big as mountains and terribly mean and ugly. Hey, Franny, why aren't you eating cherries? Don't you like them?
I love them, but I can't reach them.
Alrighty then. You know, this tree would barely come up to a troll's knees.
You guys never change. You care more about trolls or whatever than me.
Don't be silly. We care about you, Franny. Hey, trolls don't even exist, but you're completely real.
Ooh, Franny! I think I know what can be done to help you. Hey, we're gonna build Franny something. A fancy ladder just for her so she can reach the cherries.
Awesome plan.
My workshop is out of bounds for little kids. Hey, why don't you go swing or something? We'll be right back. Bjorn, close the curtains. This is gonna be awesome.
No little kids. That's all I ever hear. I'm sick of being little. Flying through the sky like a furry butterfly. She's so cool, I'll tell you why. She's Franny, the cool big fox. I am!
Ladders are okay. This'll be way cool. Phew. Well, it's done. The larger charger. Hey, where's Fran?
The trolls ate her. She's probably picking flowers somewhere.
Or trying to pick cherries. Let's go find her.
New invention? Larger charger, huh? I wonder if it'll make me bigger. Hey, what happened to me?
Where could Franny have possibly gone? That girl's always so much trouble. It's a troll!
Not a troll. It's Franny, guys.
Franny, guys.
Up here! I know you're in there somewhere. Eeny, meeny, miny, yo! This is getting silly. Come here!
Look, it's Franny.
There.
So you used the larger charger without even asking first.
I just want it to be big enough so you guys would have to notice me.
Well, you're certainly hard to miss like this.
Don't be upset, Franny. We'll think of a way to help.
I don't want to be a troll.
Just stop crying. You're acting like a big baby.
I can't help it. I want to be little like I was before. I don't want to be big. I don't want to be a whale fox.
Franny!
Huh?
We made something so you won't be too small anymore. Bucky, it's time. Get Franny's big surprise, please.
Oh, please, just not the larger charger.
I've never heard of that, but this is yours. To get at high branches, the Super Climatron.
You made me a ladder of my very own?
A ladder? This is no ordinary ladder. It's a Super Climatron with an advanced platform system and dual bear transport action.
So, Franny, you can pick all the yummy cherries that you'd like now. Come try it out.
Yeah, Climatronic, baby! Oh, I'm telling you, the trolls are absolutely for real.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure they are. I suppose the trolls can just rip trees right from the ground, too.
Yeah, of course.
Silly bears, I just adore you.
A northern expedition! This is the life. Nice day we're having.
The nicest.
It's so hot. Oh, my.
A great day, right?
So very great.
Oh, so hot.
Perfect day.
The best. Huh?
Too hot.
Bjorn, what's with you? Of course it's hot. It's summer.
But in the north, it's cold the whole year round. Nice and cool. Snow and icebergs everywhere.
So hey, maybe you should take a trip up north then.
Awesome idea! A northern expedition!
But it's a long way away. I'd have to prepare and stuff.
We'll get you prepared and stuff. Trust me, I'm an expert at everything. You know, Bjorn, the north has gotten way norther. It's colder and bleaker and more dangerous here. You'll need warm clothes, good skis, hearty provisions, and, I don't know, snow screen cream? The north doesn't mess around, my friend. I'm okay.
Bucky, I'm not sure about this trip.
I've got your back, Bjorn. You won't go anywhere until I've trained you. Just wait. Hang on. Be right with you. Talk amongst yourselves. Nearly there now. I hope you're excited, because this is gonna be super duper kaplowy wowie. Everybody, it's my pleasure to present to you at this time the one-of-a-kind Northern Expedition Simulator Training Course! Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you.
Whoa.
I'm not so sure about all this, Bucky.
Come on, you'll be fine. Let's go. It can strike at any moment. The whipping wind, the blinding snow, that elemental juggernaut, a northern blizzard! Feel the frigid frozen fury! Ha ha ha! Feathers in your face! Try to keep your footing on those slick, slippery slivers scattered on the sea, northern icebergs!
Hey, what are these, Buck?
I'm not sure, but the North can be unpredictable. You never know what the North's gonna throw at you next. Dangling tree trunks of icy doom? It could happen. And don't forget the thrilling, deadly majesty of the North's countless snow-covered mountains, where gravity, physics, and geometry conspire to take you on a pulse-pounding ride that will scare your downy white fur off!
Help! Bucky, I'm not certain that I want to go on this expedition up north.
Sure you do. Don't worry. Thanks to me, you're now completely prepared for your northern expedition.
Well, gosh. Guess I'll go?
Great. Safe travels.
Stay warm. Take lots of pictures.
So goodbye, I guess.
Yep. Send us a postcard.
You could maybe just stay, Bjorn.
Is that really an option?
Of course, pal. What does the North have to offer that we don't have right here? Icebergs, snow mountains, penguins, frostbite? We got all that stuff. Actually, why would you want to leave at all?
I never really wanted to go at all.
Yay! Bjorn's going to stay!
Now you have your own North that you can share with friends, complete with your very own yellow penguin.
Bucky, Bucky, you do know penguins only live in the South.
No penguins? That's kind of a ripoff. Hey, wait! If you don't have penguins, what do you have?
Absolutely no penguin droppings.
Ha! Now that is a plus.